Hello everyone, I am Swapna and you are watching my channel Computer Basics. So here in this channel we are discussing about the basics and fundamentals of the computer for the primary class child. So before starting today's session, I am informing you that I have already posted the different devices, the different parts of the computer in my previous videos, so please check that for the input and output devices. In this video we will discuss about the processing device, the only one processing device, and another one device. So let's start. So see first, what is processing device? Processing device means the device which is used to process the data into the information, that is called the processing device. We are inputting data by using the input devices and we are getting the result as output by using this output devices. But in between these two, while data is entered inside the computer, that needs to be processed inside the computer. So for this processing, a device is important, very important device is used to process the data into the information, means turns into the result that we are getting by using the output device. So there is a single processing device used inside the computer that plays the main role in the computer. So see, this is called CPU. The full form is Central Processing Unit. So this CPU is the main device or main part of the computer that can perform all the actions which we want to computer to do so. So this is the main unit of the computer. The whole system is depending upon this particular computer, this particular CPU. So it is also called the brain of the computer, because in human being the brain controls every actions and reactions of the human body, whole body. Like this CPU controls or all the actions, all the performance of the computer. That's why it is called the brain of the computer. It controls all the other parts of the computer and it is inside the system cabinet. So this totally is not a CPU. And this is the system cabinet, means this is a box. Here in this box, this is called system cabinet. A CPU is present. A CPU is like a board or chip. That one is present inside this cabinet box. This is system cabinet box. So this is the main processing, not only main, this is the only one processing device of the computer. So this is most important processing device. So that one, the processing device. So except this processing device, another device is connected to the computer, that is called UPS. That UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Power supply means that the current supply to the computer by which the electricity supplied to the computer by which the computer runs, that is the uninterrupted power supply. Means it keeps the computer on when the electricity goes off. Sometimes while working in the computer, electricity goes off or the power cut off. Then if we are working on an important file or document, that one, it's chance that can be deleted. But by using this UPS, this is not only a power backup system. This means in normal English this is called only a battery for the computer. Okay, so this can be help to keeping on the computer when the electricity goes off while working in the computer. So this is the power backup of the computer system. This needs to be attached with the computer, desktop computer. In laptop computer there is already a battery backup is there, so no need to connect with the laptops. this is only for the desktop computers. I hope this short and very useful video you like. Then press the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.